Today we are going to develop an application. So that application should be like whatever the text to be going, we are going to enter. So if you click on a button, whatever the text has been entered, that should be converted to speech. That is converting the text to the speech. So as the question says, develop a simple application with one edit text so that the user can write something in it. Create a button called a convert text to speech. So this button converts the user input text into voice. So what are all the things required? Edit text and one button. So let's come, we will open Android Studio, file, new project, empty activity, next. So I will say here text to speech application. Text to speech application. So package name will be there, language Java, minimum SDK will be 21. So I will click on the finish. So it takes time to load or to your Android project. So I will delete my old project so that it will stop this application. And I will, okay. Still the Gradle project sync is in process. Okay. Let's wait. Still okay. Now the process has been completed. Okay. Now let's start designing a XML file. So let's go to the code part first. I will delete this default text view and I will make the layout as relative layout. Okay, let's go to the design part. Okay. So I will put one text view so that it can be neatly visible. Before that, make the view text view to constrain to the layout. Okay, so it's just an optional so that it will be good looking. Okay, I will give text to speech application that is a text of this text view. I will make the size of this text view before I will make it 30. Okay, and I will change the style to bold and I will align text alignment. I will do to the center. Okay, this is optional one. So now coming to the program, we need a text to be edit text, that is plain text, to enter the text so that whatever the text has been entered, so that we need to convert. So that's why we need an edit text. So that is a plain text we are going to drag. Okay, I will make sure wherever it is required, I will keep the plain text over there. So go to the properties, attributes. So I will delete the text. See here that deleted has been. I will give an hint here so that I will give enter text to convert. Enter the text to convert. Okay, I will give you a hint. Okay, so now I need a button. I will place the button over there. I will make to the relative to. Okay, so I will keep here. Okay, so what the question is, button should be convert to text. Whatever you want, you can keep. Okay, give the text name. I will give convert. Okay, I will give convert. So I will keep the cursor over there. Okay. So now we have designed the XML layout UI part. Let's go to the code part, what we have to do over here. Go to the code part. So first, what we will do, we will make an initialization. There is a class called text to speech. Okay, so we need to use that class. So that class is going to synthesize the speech. It means from the text for immediate playback or to create a sound file. It is going to create a sound file, whatever the text has been entered. Okay, so it is going to synthesize speech from the text. So we are going to use that uh, class text to speech. I will give a variable text to speech. Okay, and what are the things? Edit text. Okay, so before going to there, I will go for in second. I will go back to the XML part and I will go back to the design. I will give the name ID of this edit text as edit text. Let's keep the button ID as a button only. Okay, so I will give et. Okay, so then we have used the button. So button text to speech. I will take this text to speech. Okay, these are the three things. Now go to the code within the on create. We need to find out the view. Okay, so which was the view? Edit text, that is et is equals to find view by id or dot id dot what the edit text id is. Edit text only we have taken, we are given. Okay, so next I will make text to speech, that is button find view by id or dot id dot button. Okay, so now, so if you text to speech, how we are going to convert? So let's see, text to speech is equals to new. I'm creating an instance so that get application context, comma new. There is an on-click listener in the text view. Okay, so get application context is it is going to return the context. Okay, it is going to return the context of the single or the global application object. Okay, it is going to return the context of a single or the global application context of the current process, whichever the current process is running. On that current process, the object is going to be written. This get application context. Okay, that is on click on init listener method from the text to speech class. So this on init listener is an, see, this on init listener is an interface. Okay, it's an interface definition of a callback where it is going to be invoked. So when it is indicating that the completion, whatever the completion will be there, that is going to completion of the text to speech engine initialization. What the initialization has been done to convert the text to speech. So that is going to be invoked through this interface. So here we need to override a method on init. Okay, on init. So first check what the status is. Okay, if status, see that this status is not equal to whatever the text to speech is there, that should not get any error. Okay, that is going, that error we are going to check. So dot set language, I will take, you can take whatever language you need. So see here, you will get the language: Canada, China, Chinese, English, France, French, Germany, Italy, Japan, root, whatever you want, you can take over it. I will take just for an example, I will take it UK, or you can take US. Okay, so what this text to speech dot error? So error is an constant that is going to denote a generic operation failure if there is any operation failure. Okay, so that is that error is going to denotes. So this locally, okay, this is a class where it is going to implement that is IETFBC P47, where it is composed of RFC 4647. So it is that it's a language stacks. So this is a language stack and RFC code will be there, where RFC is to tags for identifying the language, where it is going to support different types of meta languages. Okay, so that is about locally. So next is we have used this to check whether it is going to create an error or not. So now see, as soon as you click on the button, what should happen, right? Okay. So what is that button variable is text to speech dot set on click listener new on click listener. Here we are going to override an on click method. So here we will take a string speak. Okay, variable string variable is to speak. So where you are going to get the text, how you are going to get the text. See, whatever the text you have been entered on the edit text, how we need to fetch that so that you can convert the text to speech. So where you are going to enter that, you're going to enter that in an edit text dot. You need to get that text, get text. You need to convert that to string. Okay. So that you are going to store in a variable string that is to speak. Okay. Here I will make a toast, so it's not necessary to compulsory make a toast. I will just for confirmation. Okay, get base context, comma. Here toast is to display that whatever the text you have been entered on the edit text. So where it is being stored, that is being stored in the variable to speak. I will give to speak. Okay, comma. I need to give length, not long. Or you want okay dot show, you need to show that text. Okay, show that text. So now text to speech dot speak. Okay, that as soon as you click on the button you need to speak whatever the text has been entered. There is a method and that is speak method, so you need to pass that text over here. Okay, and I will text to speech dot q flash comma null. Okay, so q flash is a queue mode. Okay, q flash is a queue mode where whatever the entries will be there in the playback, queues are dropped and replaced with the new entry. Okay, whatever you will enter, that is going to be speed. Okay, this is about the application. So now I will connect my phone so that we can check whether that particular application will be working fine or not. Okay, uh, just first I will going to run it. So while it's running, it takes time. Meanwhile, I will connect my device. Okay, already I have been connected my device over here. So Gradle build running is taking place. I will share my device. Okay. Still the Gradle build running. Okay. As soon as the running process will be completed, the application is going to be launched. Installed and is going to be launched. It's taking time. Let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, Gradle process has been completed. Now the application is installing. So Gradle build finished within 2 minutes. So its application has been launched. Okay. See here in this application, I'm going to type that welcome to mobile application welcome to mobile application laboratory. Okay. Now, My device voice is a little bit low. Okay. I think if you put on an earphone, you can hear it properly. I will run once again. If you click convert without entering text, the toast gives there is nothing that have been entered. So I will enter hello, good evening. Uh, Good evening. Okay, good evening. Okay, so this is about the application where it is going to convert uh, text to speech. Okay, so this is a code we need to write to convert from text to speech. This is about the program, sixth program.